This is MacGyver, and welcome to another episode of Ask Starbase. In this episode, I'll be answering a question from Mitz at South School, who wants to know, why can't matter be destroyed? Matter is anything that has mass and volume. Mass is a scientific term used to describe the density and type of atoms in a given object. Mass is like a cousin to weight. While weight is the measure of gravity's pull on an object, mass is the amount of matter or stuff in an object. Volume is the amount of space something takes up. The three most common states of matter are solids, liquids, and gases. Heating and cooling matter could alter it from one state to another. The law of conservation of matter was developed around 1789 by a French chemist, Antoine Lavoisier. The law states that matter cannot be created or destroyed in a chemical reaction, but can change forms. A chemical reaction is a process in which one or more substances are changed to one or more different substances. It should be noted that the same amount of matter exists after the change as existed before the chemical change. To help you understand the law of conservation of matter, let's look at some examples. If you had a cup of water that was 100 grams and added 8 grams of sugar, then stirred the mixture, you will notice that the sugar dissolves. The sugar was not destroyed though. You would still have a mixture of 108 grams. Baking soda and vinegar is an example of a chemical reaction. First, you weigh a specific amount of vinegar in a jar. Then measure a specific amount of baking soda and place it in a balloon. You combine the two and a gas will form as a result, and the gas will then be trapped inside the balloon. The reaction and the gas, it will equal the individual parts. Finally, water. Water is quite unique because it can exist in all three forms of matter: solid ice, liquid water, and O2 gas. If you weighed a bottle of water, then freeze it, the water molecules, although frozen, would still be the same. So remember, the law of conservation of matter says that the amount of matter stays the same even when matter changes form. Matter cannot magically appear or disappear. Thank you for your question, Mitz, and thank you for watching this episode of Ask Starbase. If you have a STEM question, please email it to us at ask@starbase-ct.com, or you can go to our website, starbase-ct.com, to submit your question. This is MacGyver, signing off. I need to go retrieve a watch that contains confidential files that our government wants.